Hi, good morning, everyone. Today is April 17th, and this is the ES Morning Call. All right, news items today are Consumer Price Index at 7:30 a.m. Central Time, Central Standard Time. Consumer Sentiment at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Leading indicators at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Markets trading down based on weakness in China and uncertainty with the Greeks situation. Wanted to show you the 4 hour chart, which I've already put out on Twitter. I'll show you another one, but here is the daily. I think this 2082.65 is going to be a key area. This 2082.65 will be key, and then if we can trade down to 2076, which is about 1,000 points for here. Markets made a little bit of a rally and from the news items that came out. Here's the profile. Let me bring the profile in. So we got a high up here of 21,075, basically made on the uh, on the close yesterday, and then we have a low of 2082 and 2082 and a quarter. All right, and so we got some single prints. The market could backfill back into this area, okay? But I think any of these news items that come out will definitely affect the market. We have all these old single prints, so instead of going back and showing you that way, what I'll do is I've made them on. I've already put them on the chart. So if you scroll down, we have single prints from 2068 half down to 2065.75. 2064 and a quarter down to 2062 and a quarter, and then we have the large ones from 2060 down to 2049 half. All right. The value area low is 2095. The point of control is 2098 half, and 2101 is the top of value, and then also 2101 is the bull bear zone. So if we can get above value, then we're looking at the market to rally. So that's what we're looking at today. Um, Once again, we're opening out outside the range. It's important that you see where they started from, the bottom of value down to here. So trading with inside this big bar will be essential today for the breakout on either side. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. And as to be expected, go USA, go USA. You got uncertainty in the world. You got the Greece situation. We've overnight there was an American journalist killed by jihadist extremes, and then also we've got the Hang Seng in China down. So looking at that, the bonds are on the way up. 64.19 is the top of value. 63.28 is the bull bear zone, and then 63.11 and 63.03 are the point of control and the point of control in the bottom of value. So bonds are on their way up. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Gold is also making a run up to the upside. I think with China being down, like I said, uncertainty in the world. 21, we got 1,201.20 is the top of value. Bull bear zone will be 1198.45, 1198.45. 1196.80 is the point of control, and then 1196 is the bottom of value. Bottom of value. And as long as these markets move down and there's uncertainty, Gold will continue to rally. Oil is making a little bit of a retreat from last night. You know, I can't see world economy slowing and oil keep going up, but I don't know. So we'll take a look at this. 57.45 will be the bull bear zone. 56.91 is the top of value. 56.73 is the point of control. And 55.47 is the bottom of value. So it's kind of made this high overnight here and moved back into the side value. Sitting in the middle, it'll have to make up its mind from there. All right, that's what we got. I'll be live at 8 o'clock with Eddie on Top Step. And just to recap, market looks like it's retracing a little bit. This rally started from, actually, I'm sorry, the break started right from about here. The top of our little segment yesterday, 2096.75. This was the middle yesterday. And that's why I always put the blue. It ends up being the middle. We're moving back up towards 2095, and so keep an eye on that. If we can't sustain a rally back into value, then the market will go down and test these lows. All right, everybody, have a good day. Nice trading, and have a good weekend. If I don't talk to you, bye.